It's really important for children, young people to get back to school. So children that have been in the shielding group will be going back to school. Schools are looking at making places, the school environment, as safe as they possibly can. So it's a good opportunity now to go back to school. I know people will be anxious about that. If you're worried about it, then talk to the school, talk to the teachers, talk to the education authorities. They can help you to plan your return back to the safe school place. We now know that children, particularly kids younger than 11, don't really transmit the virus. That means that it's less likely that they're going to bring it home from school and transmit it into the broader family. Of course, it's important everybody, when they come in the house, wash their hands, clean yourself up, make sure you're taking those basic hygiene precautions which we know keep people safe.